But first tonight, teen violence in the Valley, a trend we've been covering for months.
ABC 15 has been tracking the investigations. The push for answers and changes now in the works.
Our Ashley Holden leading our coverage from the beginning, and tonight she's got an update on the Preston Lord case and one Valley city now moving forward with possible safety changes.
Just a few days ago, I received over 400 videos.
Large amounts of evidence and discovery. One of the main topics Thursday as 6 of the 7 suspects charged in the murder of Preston Lord appeared physically in court. The 16-year-old beaten at a Halloween party in Queen Creek and later died. One suspect, Talon Vigil, who bonded out last month, appearing virtually.
This is definitely not going to be able to be tried within a year.
A target trial date set for July 2025, but more delays are expected.
Any comment on the discovery process?
It's going to take a long time. 5 terabytes.
Talon Renner's attorney and others commenting as they walked out of court, some saying they think a potential trial could be years away. In court, the judge thanking Preston Lord's family for being there. They walked out with their attorney and prosecutors. Teen violence also top of mind in Chandler on Thursday. The first reading for 2 ordinances here at Chandler City Council targeting teen violence and behavior. Hours after court, Preston Lord's family coming here to voice their support.
It is time that stricter laws are created to hold teenagers and adults accountable and responsible for their actions.
One of the ordinance changes would target unruly gatherings.
By endorsing this amended law, we are taking a firm stand against preventable tragedies and reinforcing community safety.
The change would give police more tools, including citing or charging minors, adults, or parents, with the goal of cracking down on out-of-control parties with minors drinking or fighting.
Adding the unruly gathering ordinance will not affect quinceañeras or family parties, but it will hold parents who are aiding and abetting bad behavior as, a little more responsible.
The other ordinance banning the possession or sale of brass knuckles to minors.
Brass knuckles are specifically engineered to enhance the force of a punch.
Chandler mom Stephanie Jarnigan speaking on behalf of her son Connor, who was assaulted at the Gilbert In-N-Out Burger. Court records showed that attack so violent brass knuckles were used. Connor has spoken out even at the state capitol, pushing for restrictions.
You could sit by and be silent, or you could stand up and do something and try and make change. Motion carries unanimously.
The first reading of both ordinances passing unanimously. The second reading is set for May 23rd.
I think he's going to be relieved that this effort passed, but I think he'll be on to the next.
Connor's hoping other cities and towns will adopt similar ordinances while he continues to share his story. Ashley Holden, ABC 15, Arizona.